to the... Wah! Like engine eh! I've been having this thing about gumbos and I really enjoy making them. Today we're making chicken gumbo all in one pot, air fried chicken, saute in the pot also, pressure cook in the pot. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's so good, right? That it's making me slightly emotional. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm rendering the fats from the chicken and letting it drip down into the pot. Now we're gonna set this to saute mode and we're gonna make the roux. The roux is on fire! And we're going in with that chicken stack. Now I'm bringing it to a boil and then we're gonna add our chicken and seasoning.